You will never fail in business if you can do this assignment monthly. You will never fail in business. Any business at all that you are doing, you will never fail in it if you can do this assignment monthly. Yes, if you are into business and you don't want to fail in that business, then you need to do this assignment monthly. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do this assignment so that you will never fail in whatever business you are doing. Okay, if you are seeing me for the first time, you're highly welcome to my channel. My name is Gideon. Please make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Okay, a lot of people complain that they are not making profit from their business. This is because of evil reproach, demonic attacks that is coming to that business. Some people who have ended up being a failure from business is as a result of demonic attack that is being carried on them and their businesses. You will see somebody that have started business, before you know it, the person will close his or her shop and went home without giving a reasonable account on that business. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple assignment you can be doing monthly if you don't want your business to fail. Okay, if you don't want that business to fail, if you want to be making profit, no matter how the enemy try to attack you, you will always succeed. Just do this assignment and you will succeed. Okay, so what you need to do is to buy an egg. Yes, buy egg, just one egg every month. Just get an egg. Just get an egg, one egg every month. Ending of the month, that is when you are going to do this ritual. The last day of the month. Okay, just get your egg, stand in front of your shop and pray. Pray towards that business that you are doing. Pray, say words concerning that business that you are doing. Say whatever thing that will make that business to crash, that you are removing it. That's the kind of prayer you will make as you are standing in front of that your shop. This spiritual assignment, you will do it the last day of the month. Okay, every last day of the month, just get one egg. It can be native egg, it can be any egg. Just get one egg and use it and pray. Stand in front of your shop and say prayers towards that business. This spiritual assignment, you will be doing it ending of the month, last day of the month, like I said. Okay, once you keep on doing this every ending of the month, you will find out that your business will never crash. Even when others, their business are having problems, you will never be among them. Okay, you will always succeed in that your business. This is a very simple assignment you can be doing as a business person to succeed in whatever business you are doing. Okay, a lot of things are going on in the spiritual realm. A lot of things are going on in the spiritual realm. Some businesses that have crashed today is as a result of spiritual attack. As a result of spiritual attack. Okay, so make sure you practice this assignment every month, last day of the month. Make sure you do it. Just one egg. Just go and get your egg and stand in front of your shop and pray towards that your business. After praying, then you break that egg. Okay, after praying, you break that egg in front of that shop. Make sure you pray, then you break that egg in front of that shop. Do this assignment every month, every last day of the month, and you see that you never fail in that business you are doing. Okay, and you will never make losses from that business. You always make profit. You never count losses. You always make profit from that business. Okay, so that is the simple assignment you can be doing every month if you don't want that business to fail. Okay, if you have any question on this video, if you don't understand any word or anything I said on this video, just use your comment section, ask questions so that I will direct you more on what I said. Okay, I pray you never be a victim of any spiritual attack that destroy businesses. Okay, if you're into business. Okay, so make sure you do this assignment and you see the testimony that will come after doing it. Okay, like I said, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.